Hello, in today's quick information video we will be talking about advanced chatbot capabilities with ChatGPT. So, chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in various industries, from customer services to healthcare. While some simply chatbots can answer basic questions, advanced chatbots can perform more complex tasks and provide more personalized responses. With ChatGPT, you can take your chatbot to the next level with advanced capabilities that can improve user experience and increase efficiency. One of the most important features of the advanced chatbot is natural language understanding. ChatGPT is advanced NLU capabilities allow the chatbot to understand and interpret user input more accurately even when the input is ambiguous or contains errors. With NLU, chatbot can also identify user intent and provide more personalized responses based on the user input. So, another key feature of advanced chatbots in contextual awareness, ChatGPT awareness capabilities enable the chatbot to understand the context of a conversation and provide relevant responses based on the user's previous interaction. This means that the chatbot can remember previous conversations and use that to provide more personalized and accurate responses. Personalization is also an important aspect of the advanced chatbot. With ChatGPT, you can personalize the chatbot responses based on the user data such as preferences, history, and behavior. This can help improve user experience by providing more relevant and useful information to users. ChatGPT multilingual support is another advanced capability that can be useful for chatbots. With multilingual support, the chatbot can communicate with users in multiple languages, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Machine learning is another advanced capability that ChatGPT offers, which machine learning with chatbots can learn improve its responses over time based on user interaction. This means that the chatbot can become more intelligent and accurate with each conversation. So, the conclusion, advanced chatbots capabilities with ChatGPT can help improve user experience. It increases efficiency with natural language understanding, contextual awareness, personalization, multi-language support, and machine learning. ChatGPT can provide more accurate, personalized, and relevant responses to users by leveraging the capabilities. You can create a chatbot that is more useful and effective in serving your business needs. So I asked ChatGPT for some benefits on advanced chatbots capabilities. He answered me it. Of course, you can log in ChatGPT, you can ask it yourself, you can see all the capabilities it offers, you can play with it. If you need any other tutorial how to do something on advanced chatbots, you can ask us in the comments and we do something about it. I hope you enjoyed this informational video about this theme. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.